Hello and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In today's episode we're talking about science. So let's get started. Do you like science? Yes, I find science quite interesting. But I'd much rather you say absolutely. I have a genuine fascination for science and its exploration of the natural world. Did you like science classes when you were young? No, not really. I didn't enjoy them much. Or I wasn't particularly fond of them. Science classes didn't capture my interest as much as I hoped they would. Do you think school children should have both science classes and art classes? Yes, I think they should have both. Definitely. I believe it's important for school children to have a balanced curriculum that includes both science and art classes to foster creativity and critical thinking. Do you think science is important to our society? Yes, science helps us understand the world better. Or absolutely. Science plays a crucial role in advancing knowledge, technology and innovation, which are all essential for the progress of society. Was science a popular subject when you were at high school? No, not many students like science. Or, not particularly, science wasn't the most popular subject among students during my high school days. How does science help you in your everyday life? Science helps me understand how things work. Or science is the lens through which I comprehend the mechanisms and phenomena that shape the world around us, enabling me to make informed decisions and appreciate the complexities of daily life. Okay, that's all the questions for today. Next up is our reading passages. Please read along with me. The evolution of science. Brilliant minds like Galileo, Newton and Einstein have laid the foundations for modern scientific principles that govern our understanding of physics, mathematics and the universe. Science has evolved from ancient natural philosophies to a systematic method of inquiry, refining our knowledge of the natural world. The application of scientific discoveries has revolutionized technology, propelling societies into the modern era. Scientific knowledge has empowered engineers and inventors to create devices that improve our quality of life and increase our efficiency. The discovery of antibiotics, advancements in genetics, and the development of diagnostic tools have significantly extended human lifespans and enhanced our ability to combat diseases. Science has transformed healthcare, leading to revolutionary medical breakthroughs. Science has played a crucial role in raising awareness and driving efforts to protect and preserve the planet in areas such as climate change, deforestation, and pollution. Scientific research has shed light on the consequences of human actions on the environment. It empowers individuals to ask questions, challenge assumptions, and engage in evidence-based reasoning, fostering a society that values inquiry and seeks rational solutions. Science education cultivates critical thinking skills and curiosity-driven mindset. As technology continues to advance, so does the potential of science to shape the future. Fields like artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and space exploration offer new opportunities for scientific discovery and innovation, promising to propel society forward. The impact of science society is undeniable. It has driven progress, improved living standards, and deepened our understanding of the universe. As we continue to embrace the wonders of science, we are poised to tackle challenges, unlock new possibilities, and pave the way for a brighter future. Thank you for listening. I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary and expressions that you can incorporate into your everyday language skills. So, technological breakthroughs, medical discoveries, environmental innovations, revolutionary findings, cutting-edge research, innovative solutions, technological revolution, technological advancements, digital transformation, state-of-the-art devices, high-tech gadgets, modern innovations, medical revolution, healthcare advancements, life-saving treatments, breathtaking therapies, improved medical outcomes, diagnostic tools, climate change awareness, conservation efforts, sustainable practices, environmental impact, ecological preservation, green initiatives, analytical mindset, evidence-based reasoning, curiosity-driven learning, inquisitive approach, intellectual exploration, problem-solving skills. STEM education, science literacy, promote scientific thinking, foster intellectual curiosity, enhance critical analysis, ignite a passion for discovery. Emerging technologies, futuristic possibilities, uncharted scientific territories, promising fields of research, science-driven innovations, anticipate scientific breakthroughs. Societal advancements, societal well-being, improved living standards, societal transformation, positive social change, enriched quality of life. Shaping society, transforming communities, influencing cultural norms. Driving societal progress, leaving a lasting impact, molding the fabric of society. Ethical dynamics, ethical implications, responsible scientific practices, ethical boundaries, balancing progress and ethics, and ethical decision-making. Investigate unknown realms, delve into uncharted territories, push the boundaries of knowledge, scientific exploration and discovery, unveil the mysteries of the universe, embark on scientific quests. Positive societal shifts, societal betterment, drive positive change, propel society forward, foster a culture of progress, usher in possible transformations. Creative problem solving, novel approaches, think outside the box, foster innovation, encourage inventive solutions, cultivate groundbreaking ideas. And on to the final section, our paraphrasing exercises, questions, statements, and descriptions. Have a go at yourself at home. Do you like science? Instead, you could say, are you fond of science? Did you like science classes when you were young? Did you enjoy studying science during your early years? Do you think school children should have both science classes and art classes? Do you believe that students should receive education in both science and art? In statements, medical discoveries have significantly improved our quality of life. Advances in medicine have greatly enhanced our well-being. Technology is rapidly evolving and reshaping various industries. The rapid evolution of technology is transforming multiple sectors. And ethical considerations play a vital role in scientific research and innovation. Ethical factors are crucial in guiding scientific research and innovation. And lastly, the paraphrasing descriptions, but as always, you're on your own for that one. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you on the next one.